Hey 996 and 997 turbo owners, are you having a hard time getting it up? Well, we understand, because that's a problem with basically all of these ever, where the active spoiler becomes inactive because the factory hydraulic system fails. They all do it, and you're left with a leaky mess, and it's expensive as hell to get replaced at the dealership. It's like $5,000. So we had this speed yellow 996 in the shop with a failed wing, so we decided to fix it with Rennkit's eRam kit. It replaces the whole hydraulic setup with 2 electronic rams that are super cool. They work faster, so they raise the spoiler faster. They also raise it higher. There are a bunch of options. This is the 4-inch option, so they go higher, they go faster. They're track tested, so they're super durable. And they're super easy to install at home by yourself. They made a great DIY on it. So if you have a 996 or a 997 turbo and your rear active spoiler is defunct, check out Rennkit's eRam kit for a solid solution. We just wanted to make a video for you real quick while we were at it, because we were dealing with it. So I hope this helped you. Beyond that, give us a like, a subscription, a follow, a notification, a ding, a dong, whatever you got. We'll take it. See you guys next time.